you see in China, in Wuhan. As far as I know, there's not really a new law that we now all have to wear masks suddenly, right? But everybody did it, right? Without order from above. So it's a whole society measure. That is key to it.
I've been living in Guangzhou for 15 years, so in January, at the end of January, the Guangzhou's government reaction to the pandemic was very, very quick. And probably even because they had the 2003 SARS experience, so basically this country is more prepared and more equipped to face a huge situation like this.
So I think in the case of China and in Chongqing here, now I've noticed that whenever it looks like the virus might have been contracted by more people, the government and authorities have taken very effective measures to keep the situation under control. Now I think the swiftness in which the policies have been taken is really quite impressive.
In China, information is very transparent, and we can receive information in any minute telling us what to do, where to go, where not to go. We have high, medium and low risk areas. The measures China is taking is just massive. If we look at what happened in Dalian, for example, or in Hebei province or in other places, these stories actually, kinda makes you very proud living in this city, honestly, because these measures, that we are talking about, not easy. To make this decision, not easy. To put the whole city in a lockdown, asking people to stay home and carrying out tests in one night, this is not an easy decision. And I think the sooner we can, tackle this problem, the sooner we can end with this